Thank you to every single member of the custodial staff at Molloy College on behalf of Molloy student government and the student body. Thank you so much for all of your hard work throughout the pandemic and for keeping us all safe.
Thanks, custodial staff, for everything you do.
Thank you so much for keeping us safe every single day. We want you to know that your hard work is definitely noticed and appreciated. We just wanted to say thank you so much for everything that you do to keep us safe. Thank you. Have a good day.
I would just like to thank the custodial staff for all their hard work and dedication. I've been a student here at Molloy for 4 years, and they've always been super nice, super sweet, and you guys always put a smile on my face, and I really appreciate everything you've done, especially during this past year. Thank you all for everything, and we really appreciate everything you do.
Thank you for everything that you do to keep our campus safe and clean.
Thank you for all your hard work and dedication to our school and making it feel so safe for us to come to campus.
Hi, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for making Molloy such a safe and clean place. Especially during this pandemic, we really appreciate you and all of your hard work.
Our custodians, thank you. Your hard work and dedication made this semester and last semester possible, so thank you.
Thank you so much to the Molloy College maintenance staff for all the hard work and dedication you do to make our campus look so great. Thank you so much, and we really appreciate you.
Thanks to the maintenance staff at Molloy for always making sure campus looks amazing and beautiful, and everything is always set up for all of our classes and events. We appreciate you all so much.
Thank you to the Molloy maintenance staff for all your hard work on campus.
I just wanted to give a special thank you to all of the maintenance staff at Molloy College. Thank you for your continued efforts on campus, and we truly appreciate everything that you do for us. Thank you, guys.